Your eyes are literally the gateway into understanding your body, metabolic health, and really catching metabolic weaknesses in your body before they get too out of control. Let me explain. Before we talk about the eyes and why they're so important and how to actually heal your eyes and heal yourself, we have to understand why the eyes are so important in the first place. This all comes down to the cardiovascular system, but more importantly, a subset of the cardiovascular system, which is the vascular system. Now, the vascular system is a three-part highway in our body. And the three-part highway consists of your capillaries, your veins, and your arteries. Now, in order to understand this, you have to understand this highway system, or this this freeway system. Now, your arteries are the blood vessels that take oxygenated blood to the areas of the body that it needs to go, to the other organs, to the other cells, etc., etc. Your capillaries, they take those deoxygenated blood cells and they push it to the veins. Now, your veins are the ones that push that deoxygenated blood back up to the heart so it can get more oxygen from the lungs to be able to repeat the process over and over again. And this three-part highway just keeps going on and on and on, right? Instantaneously. Now, the problem that occurs is when there's metabolic stress, when there's interstitial inflammation due to our diet, due to eating bad foods, due to consuming the wrong things, lifestyle, disabilities, etc., the smallest blood vessels are the first thing to take a big hit because they're the most susceptible. They're the smallest, right? And this metabolic stress and inflammation can come from a lot of different things. Uric acid from animal products and meat. It can come from type 2 diabetes or high and elevated sugar in the body. It can come from a lot of different things. But when this metabolic stress happens, the eyes are what goes first, because think about it. Your eyes have the smallest blood vessels, the smallest capillaries, the smallest veins, the smallest arteries. And this is why it's so important to keep your eyes healthy and your eyes on a good path, okay? Before you can understand how to heal your eyes or correct your vision, first you need to understand what is it in the eyes that make the vision go bad, and what is the other problems that can occur with this. Well, I answered that in two parts. Number one is when it comes to the blood vessels, inside the blood vessels, the liquid inside the blood vessels that keep things smooth and running perfectly is called the endothelium, right? And this is the liquid on the inside walls of the blood vessels. And when that gets damaged or dries up or becomes insufficient, that's when problems arise, and the blood, the lymph, and the interstitial fluid isn't able to go to the areas that it needs to go. And another big issue with this is the eyes and the kidneys are directly correlated. So if you have weakness in the eyes, you have weakness in the kidneys. And remember, the kidneys are the filtration system of the body. And if your body isn't filtrating properly, you have a whole lot of backed up waste in the body that can start causing a whole lot of problems. Acne is one. Inflammation is another. External inflammation, a lot of other things, and a lot of other problems that can happen, right? So you want to keep this three-part highway running efficiently. Right now, here's how you fix this. Vaccinium myrtillis, aka Bilberry. Now, Bilberry is a very powerful antioxidant and is really like the king or the queen of antioxidants. More powerful than strawberries, more powerful than blueberries, more powerful than most berries in the berry kingdom. And bilberry, the scientific name is Vaccinium myrtillis. It is super powerful when it comes to strengthening the vascular system. So that means it can get the blood vessels working properly, getting blood flowing properly, keeping your veins, capillaries, and arteries all working in sync, all working in tandem, which means that your eyes can start to improve. Because remember, the reason why the eyes start having metabolic weakness is because the veins, capillaries, and the arteries, the blood vessels, are not working as effectively as they should. So bilberry is a powerful herb that you can take to really start to increase that metabolic health that you want. And remember, when you strengthen the eyes, everything else strengthens by default, because the eyes have the smallest blood vessels, and the smallest blood vessels start weakening first. So that's a first responder, first warning sign. If you start to increase the metabolic health of the eyes, metabolic health of the everything else, when it comes to the vascular system, it spreads out to the other systems of the body, can start to improve. Now, if you need help, getting on a protocol that really will fit you when it comes to your health and reversing some type of ailment, you can click the link in my description, book a consultation call with me. If you need herbs and you don't know where to find your healing herbs from, you can click the link in my description and go to my website, Fig Tree Botanicals, and purchase all your herbs there. Last but not least, if you need help reversing some type of ailment like HSV, HSV1, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, or anything of the sort, you can click the link in the description. You can book a consultation with me so you can start to get on your health and your healing journey. Last but not least, if you're looking to learn how to fast and fast properly, do longer fasts so you can really achieve ultimate health and optimum health and more vitality, you can get my book, Fasted, Unlocking the Origins and Transformational Power of an Ancient Practice, link in the description. And look, hope this video helped. If it did, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, fuel yourself, don't fool yourself. Peace out.